Integral x cubed minus e to the minus x minus 2 in brackets divided by e to the minus x dx. We're going to simplify the integrand as much as possible. Integral x cubed minus e to the minus x divided by e to the minus x minus 2 divided by e to the minus x dx. Now let's simplify further. That's x cubed minus e to the minus x over e to the minus x cancels out. You get 1 minus 2 e to the x. We can bring this up. So e to the minus x is 1 over e to the x. And integrate with respect to x. Simplifying a bit further, distributing this negative sign, that's x cubed minus 1 plus 2 e to the x dx. Now let's integrate term by term. That will be integral x cubed dx minus integral 1 dx plus integral 2 e to the x dx. This 2 can pass right through the integral because it's a constant. So integrating term by term, we get x to the 4th over 4, reversing the power rule, minus, what is a function whose derivative is 1? That is x. Plus 2, and integral of e to the x is just itself e to the x, plus c. Okay, let's look at number 12. Here we have an initial value problem. The derivative is given, the functional value is given at 0, f of 0 is 1, and we want to recover the function. So f of x is going to be the integral of all of this. That's e to the x plus 1 plus x squared to the minus 1 plus sine x dx. Now let's split up the integral. That's f of x is integral e to the x dx plus integral 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. We can rewrite this in this way. Plus integral sine x dx. Now the integral of e to the x is just itself. So that's e to the x. And integral of 1 over 1 plus x squared is tan minus 1x, because derivative of tan minus 1x is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So that's arctan x. And integral sine x is negative cos x minus cos x plus c. That's the function. But we need to solve for the constant c. So let's use the initial value f of 0 is equal to 1. This means when x is 0, y is equal to 1. 1 is equal to e to the 0 plus tan minus 1 of 0 minus cos of 0 plus c. E to the 0 is just 1. Tan minus 1 of 0 is saying what is the angle whose tangent is 0? That is just 0. Minus cos of 0 is 1 plus c. 1 minus 1 that cancels, giving us c is equal to 1. Let's rewrite this function. F of x is equal to e to the x plus tan minus 1x minus cos x plus 1. Okay, thanks.